Hello everybody, welcome back, and today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and create a channel on Rumble. So for that, what you will do, first of all, go ahead, access your Chrome over there, and then go to the search bar and type in rumble.com. Afterwards, what you're gonna do, you're gonna land on this official website of your Rumble itself. So right now we're gonna go to home, and this will basically gonna look like this in the home section. Afterwards, if you tap on this profile icon, I already have an account, and this is how it's gonna show up. So for that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead, tap on the sign out option. We're gonna get ourselves signed out. Afterwards, we can see the sign in and sign up options. Since we want to create our new channel, we're gonna go ahead, tap on the sign up option, enter our name over here, enter our username, password, and we're gonna retype our password, email address, retype our email address. We're gonna go ahead, choose our country from this drop down menu, and then we're gonna go ahead, enter our day, month, and year, our birthday. If you do have a referral, we're gonna go ahead and enter the information, and then afterward it will ask for us to enter our address, including city, state, province, postal code, phone number, everything. Then we will finally be able to find this register option. Once you have tapped on it, we will find this one confirmation code. After we have entered that, we will be able to create ourselves an account, aka our channel over here, like that, just by that entering our information. We do make sure to save your login information, so next time you come, you don't have to enter them again for you to get back to your account like that. So this will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.